What's up, everybody? So today's project is my 2000 Sea-Doo jet ski with a 900 motor in it, 3-seater. We're gonna get this paint all shined up, get it all looking good for the summer. I might even take these side stickers off here, make it look better. So what we are using today is these products here I got from Walmart. This was maybe $16, $17. And this turtle wax for the black part, the trim part, is maybe $6. And this foam brush for the drill, I think got off of Amazon here. Then this soft towels here that I got a 2-pack from Walmart today, maybe I think was $6. So overall, not expensive to shine your jet ski, boat, car, whatever you want to shine up. Paint's faded. So that's today's project. First, what we're gonna do is take the pressure washer and wash it, and make sure you got all the dirt and stuff away from it, that way you don't get the polish all messed up. You got the dirt down there, and you just get all the dirt cleaned up, and then we're gonna polish it up. Washed up. Now we're gonna let it dry. That way we can apply that liquid when it's dry. You don't want to do it when it's wet, or it's gonna mess it up. It's gonna sling everywhere. Alright, so the jet ski is all dry now. Now we're gonna use this Ultimate Compound Color and Clarity Restore at Walmart, and my brush there. Just that soft padding here. It's very soft here. All right, let's get to it. First, we're gonna dab it on here. Whoops. Just like that. Maybe spread it around, that we don't fly everywhere. All right. Off the low mode. Get it all wet, get it wet. Let's grab our cloth here. Let's see, wipe it here. Man, that's what it looks like. See, and you see the color difference right there. Faded. Restore, bring it down here. See, man, that is gonna look beautiful. All right, let's get to it. All right, so for these hard to reach places, like in there, of course I can't get my drill in there, down at the bottom there, I'm gonna use this pad I got at Walmart as well. It's just a hand pad you can get for a couple bucks. That way you can get in these tight places here and get corners and stuff like that, you know. That way we can get it done. Alright guys, I'm halfway done. I just want to tell y'all, this stuff works amazing. Now, I didn't do the top right there yet or that top piece. I just did this bottom base. It is smooth, looks good. Right here is gonna be a little bit more shiny because of the factor, because the seats were covering it. But here's the back side. You wanna make sure you wipe it off with this cloth. That way you don't leave any streaks on it. So it looks way better. Now here's the side I didn't do. Look at that, guys. I'm mind blown how this stuff works. It works for me. Hope it works for y'all. I'm gonna get everything done here. That way I get you ready for the summer. Guys, so here's the finishing touch of the red paint. Shining. I am impressed of this product. I love it. Man, puts a whole new look on it. Makes it look almost brand new. The inside of it. Now I even did that stuff right there just inside the seats, make it look better. Man, looks good. Again, Walmart, $17, $16, ultimate compound. This stuff works unbelievable. I didn't even use the whole bottle, probably used maybe a quarter of the bottle. Another thing, secret that I have found out about this little thing, to get in the cracks and stuff, like those grooves there, all along those cracks, I use the edge because it's still that soft stuff, and it all throughout there. And if you can do it by hand if you want to, and just go over it slow, take your time if you want to. But I use the drill, make it go faster. You can see the shine off the sun. Chew. I'm impressed. I love it. Just do the black part like a picture has a store here. Hopefully it does the same way. All the way along there, makes it look blacker and better. Brings it out more. Just gonna use this handheld one for now, see how it works. It's clear. The other stuff was white. Just do it off, see how it... Try not to get on the red part. So far, so good. I like that. You see right here how white it was. Alright, look at the towel. Work. Oh yes. Look at that. That's amazing. Slick, smooth. Get all that off. Static here. Look at that. Man, that's amazing. How shiny it is compared to the bottom. Looking good. guys, started on this side here, went up through there, did that stuff. Now I'm just gonna do the rest off camera, be a lot better. I'm gonna do that bottom there, and then I'm gonna do the side, and then do the steering wheel and that back handle there. And then I'm gonna try to teeter the whole trailer and everything up. That way I can get the bottom, hopefully. If not, then oh well. At least I got the majority of it done. This black trimmed down, ready to go. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. I know my seats are ripped, I need to get those reupholstered. But on this shine, goodness, it makes a difference. Let's walk around here. Just look at that glare. Look how shiny it is. Did the black trimming and the red. Man. Now I did the bottom of the jet ski too. I can lift this trailer up, let y'all look at it. There you go. Shiny. Looks so much better. Man, ready to go out in the water. Looks good, in my opinion. Alright guys, here's that final view of it. It's like a brand new jet ski. If you have any questions, just give a comment down below. Like it if you do. Share it and subscribe. Thank y'all. Until next time.